Hello there and welcome back to another I'm Not Barista unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the TIMEMORE 123 Go. Yes, 123 Go is the name of this mini coffee maker. It's a collaboration between TIMEMORE and LVIDA. This is a portable, all-in-one brewing device that contains 4 parts: a draper, a grinder, a filter, and a cup. And the best part is, it's only about $100 US. So let's dive right in and open this bad boy up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.